Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. All right, everyone, welcome to DIY Design by CCW. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and I hope you're having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for watching my rendition of the Breakfast at Tiffany's Tablescape. Now, the host for this collaboration is none other than Miss Geraldine of Diva Decorating. She also has two co-hosts, and they are Elegantly Designed by B and Roze Z at home. Now listen, I'll tell you what, you cannot go wrong with any of these ladies or either of these ladies, all three of these ladies. Please go down, find their links to their channels down in my description box, as well as the link to the playlist. I promise you, you won't regret it. Also, if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, what are you waiting on? Hit that subscription button today. Make sure you tap that bell a couple of times. That way you'll be notified every time I upload new content. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.